Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage the stray. Your only chance, hide and pray it does not find you.